Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's my favorite. Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.
Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea?
No, I prefer coffee. No, I prefer coffee.
Is water healthy? Is water healthy?
Yes, very healthy. Yes, very healthy.
Do you eat rice? Do you eat rice?
Yes, almost daily. Yes, almost daily.
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
Not really. Not really.
Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes. I love mangoes.
Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is ice cream cold? Is ice cream cold?
Of course. Of course.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
Do you eat fast food? Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes on weekends. Sometimes on weekends.
Is sugar sweet? Is sugar sweet?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you eat soup? Do you eat soup?
Yes, in winter. Yes, in winter.
Do you drink juice? Do you drink juice?
Yes, orange juice. Yes, orange juice.
Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables?
Yes, some of them. Yes, some of them.
Is your lunch ready? Is your lunch ready?
Not yet. Not yet.
Do you like to snack? Do you like to snack?
Yes, especially chips. Yes, especially chips.
Do you eat cake? Do you eat cake?
Only on birthdays. Only on birthdays.
Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister?
Yes, one. Yes, one.
Is your brother older? Is your brother older?
Yes, by 2 years. Yes, by 2 years.
Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
No, not yet. No, not yet.
Do you call your mom daily? Do you call your mom daily?
Yes, every night. Yes, every night.
Is your dad funny? Is your dad funny?
Very funny. Very funny.
Do you visit grandparents? Do you visit grandparents?
Yes, often. Yes, often.
Is your cousin nice? Is your cousin nice?
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Do you love your family? Do you love your family?
With all my heart. With all my heart.
Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family?
Yes, many uncles and aunts. Yes, many uncles and aunts.
Is your family close? Is your family close?
Yes, very close. Yes, very close.
Do you live alone? Do you live alone?
No, with family. No, with family.
Do you help your brother? Do you help your brother?
Yes, when he needs me. Yes, when he needs me.
Do your parents work? Do your parents work?
Yes, both do. Yes, both do.
Do you share your room? Do you share your room?
Yes, with my sister. Yes, with my sister.
Is your cousin older than you? Is your cousin older than you?
Yes, by 5 years. Yes, by 5 years.
Do you play with your niece? Do you play with your niece?
Yes, she's cute. Yes, she's cute.
Do you visit your uncle? Do you visit your uncle?
Sometimes on weekends. Sometimes on weekends.
Is your grandma kind? Is your grandma kind?
So kind. So kind.
Do you talk to your family every day? Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, always. Yes, always.
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Is your school far? Is your school far?
Not really. Not really.
Do you study English? Do you study English?
Yes, daily. Yes, daily.
Is your teacher nice? Is your teacher nice?
Yes, very nice. Yes, very nice.
Do you like math? Do you like math?
Not so much. Not so much.
Do you write essays? Do you write essays?
Yes, for homework. Yes, for homework.
Do you have classes today? Do you have classes today?
Yes, in the morning. Yes, in the morning.
Do you carry books? Do you carry books?
Yes, in my bag. Yes, in my bag.
Do you like science? Do you like science?
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun.
Do you read in class? Do you read in class?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Is your classroom big? Is your classroom big?
Yes, and clean. Yes, and clean.
Do you study with friends? Do you study with friends?
Yes, we help each other. Yes, we help each other.
Is English easy? Is English easy?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you listen to your teacher? Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, carefully. Yes, carefully.
Do you take notes? Do you take notes?
Yes, in a notebook. Yes, in a notebook.
Do you have a test today? Do you have a test today?
No, tomorrow. No, tomorrow.
Do you use a ruler? Do you use a ruler?
Yes, in geometry. Yes, in geometry.
Do you study history? Do you study history?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you learn fast? Do you learn fast?
I try to. I try to.
Do you do homework daily? Do you do homework daily?
Yes, I must. Yes, I must.
Do you go to the park? Do you go to the park?
Yes, for walks. Yes, for walks.
Is the bank nearby? Is the bank nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away. Yes, 2 blocks away.
Do you visit the library? Do you visit the library?
Yes, for books. Yes, for books.
Is your home far? Is your home far?
No, it's close. No, it's close.
Do you go to the mall? Do you go to the mall?
Yes, on weekends. Yes, on weekends.
Is the post office open? Is the post office open?
I think so. I think so.
Do you go to the beach? Do you go to the beach?
Only in summer. Only in summer.
Do you walk to school? Do you walk to school?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Is your office in the city? Is your office in the city?
Yes, downtown. Yes, downtown.
Do you ride the bus? Do you ride the bus?
Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.
Is this the right way? Is this the right way?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you know this place? Do you know this place?
No, never been here. No, never been here.
Is the museum fun? Is the museum fun?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it.
Do you take the train? Do you take the train?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is the store open now? Is the store open now?
Yes, until 9. Yes, until 9.
Do you like the zoo? Do you like the zoo?
Yes, animals are cute. Yes, animals are cute.
Do you live in a city? Do you live in a city?
Yes, a big one. Yes, a big one.
Is your neighborhood quiet? Is your neighborhood quiet?
Mostly. Mostly.
Do you go to the market? Do you go to the market?
Yes, for fruit. Yes, for fruit.
Is this your street? Is this your street?
Yes, turn left here. Yes, turn left here.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy. Yes, very happy.
Do you feel tired? Do you feel tired?
A little. A little.
Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now?
Yes, let's eat. Yes, let's eat.
Do you feel cold? Do you feel cold?
Yes, it's freezing. Yes, it's freezing.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, just sleepy. Yes, just sleepy.
Do you get headaches? Do you get headaches?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Is your back sore? Is your back sore?
A bit. A bit.
Do you feel sick? Do you feel sick?
Not really. Not really.
Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Yes, about the test. Yes, about the test.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
Yes, every evening. Yes, every evening.
Are you scared of dogs? Are you scared of dogs?
No, I love them. No, I love them.
Do you go to the doctor? Do you go to the doctor?
Only when needed. Only when needed.
Is your leg hurt? Is your leg hurt?
No, it's fine now. No, it's fine now.
Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine?
Yes, for flu. Yes, for flu.
Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well?
Yes, 8 hours. Yes, 8 hours.
Are you stressed? Are you stressed?
A little, yes. A little, yes.
Do you visit the dentist? Do you visit the dentist?
Twice a year. Twice a year.
Are you relaxed? Are you relaxed?
Yes, very calm. Yes, very calm.
Do you take vitamins? Do you take vitamins?
Yes, daily. Yes, daily.
Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better?
Much better now. Much better now.